Are you looking for the next big move on gold? Please watch the full video. Currently, XAUUSD is navigating a critical consolidation phase on the 1-hour timeframe. Following a strong recovery, the market has transitioned into a range-bound environment that demands close attention. While the price action is printing a series of higher lows, it is simultaneously struggling to establish convincing new higher highs. This technical behavior suggests we are in a significant accumulation phase, often the precursor to a high volatility breakout. The immediate battleground is clearly defined between the 4,850 supply zone and the 4,750 demand zone. To the upside, if gold maintains its footing above the 4,750 support and manages a clean hourly candle close above the 4,850 resistance, we expect the bullish momentum to accelerate rapidly. In this bullish scenario, our primary upside targets are 4,900, with an extended move toward the major psychological milestone of 5,000. However, we must remain objective. The line in the sand for this structure is 4,750. As highlighted in the analysis, if 4,750 breaks, then the bias turns heavily bearish. A decisive breakdown below this level, especially if confirmed by a bearish retest, opens the door for a deeper correction. In that case, the price will likely hunt for liquidity at the 4,700 and 4,650 levels, with the ultimate downside target sitting at the 4,500 swing demand zone. From a smart money perspective, the market is currently hunting for liquidity within this range, creating dangerous trap zones for impatient retail traders. The professional approach is to avoid trading in the no man's land between 4,780 and 4,840. Instead, wait for a confirmed rejection from the edges or a definitive breakout. Gold remains sideways with a slight bullish tilt, but 4,000